Fish kebab, a delicious English phrase. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic that's as interesting as it is mouth-watering. Fish kebab. Now, you might be thinking, are we really going to learn how to cook? Not exactly. We're going to explore what the phrase means in the English language, its origins, and how you can use it in a conversation. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone who loves exploring new expressions, this video is for you. A fish kebab is not just a tasty treat. It's also a phrase that could be used metaphorically in English. At its most basic, a fish kebab is a skewer filled with pieces of fish and sometimes vegetables, cooked over a fire or grill. It's a popular dish in many coastal regions around the world, but in the English language, food terms often take on additional meanings and can describe situations or concepts. The term kebab originally comes from Middle Eastern cuisine, referring to a variety of grilled meat dishes. Fish kebab, specifically, would have evolved wherever fish was a staple and grilling was a preferred cooking method. The phrase made its way into English through the wide adoption of diverse culinary terms as English speakers encountered different cultures and their foods. When using the phrase, fish kebab, in English conversations, it's usually in the context of food. For instance, let's order a fish kebab from the new Greek restaurant. It's straightforward and is bound to make your audience's mouths water. But there's no common metaphorical use for fish kebab in English. It's quite literal. So you would use it when you're actually referring to the dish itself. There are many phrases in English borrowed from cooking or food that do have metaphorical meanings, like spill the beans or a piece of cake. These expressions are fun to learn and use, but remember that fish kebab isn't typically one of them. It's a phrase that stays true to its culinary roots. I hope this has been an informative and fun journey through the language of food. The English language is filled with fascinating phrases, and fish kebab is just one example of how diverse and delicious English learning can be. Keep practicing, keep learning, and who knows? Maybe one day, you'll get to enjoy a fish kebab while striking up a conversation in English. Until next time, keep on learning and bon appétit.